we're going to do okra soup. Originally, it's a Nigerian dish. So I've prepared everything as I need, and the main ingredient, as you can see, is okra. So this is 300 grams okra. I've got 2 onions. I've got a pepper. You can use a red pepper. I've got spinach, beef, chicken, and prawns. But what I'm going to do with the beef, I'm going to sear the meat and the chicken. Both meat I'm going to sear. Originally you will have to use like smoked beef or smoked chicken, and also fish, but I can't use fish because some people don't eat smoked fish. So here we go. I'm going to first blend all my ingredients. I'm going to start with the onions in the blender. So that goes in. Depends on how you want to do it, but I'm going to put it all together and just chop it. I think I find this time saving. So I'll do like half of the bunch of the okra because it was 300 grams. Now I'm going to chop 150 grams. That will give the crunch, and then the rest I'll blend them first, and then you just break them into tiny chunks. Then that will give it, that will be easy for the blender. Now to brown my beef as well in a separate pan, because I like chicken with skin and the bone is still on as well, so it's all for the flavor. Too fast and blend that down, because the last thing you want to eat is that broken fat in. In the pepper and the salt, you leave that to simmer for around 1 hour, or until your chicken is ready and your beef is ready. It will take some time to cook, to get soft. So I would say about a liter, or you can add in more depending on the state of your meat. If it's nearly ready, you don't need too much. Remember, I blended the pepper and the onions, so that will get in. So you're gonna leave this to simmer away. Like I said, you need a lot of stock. Now, my stock or the beef has been simmering away for over 20 minutes. I'm gonna add in the chicken, because like I say, the chicken takes a short time to cook than the beef. minutes. Get the chicken cooked. As you can see, it's starting to look good. And now at this point, I'm going to add in my okra, the one which I blended, the one which went to the blender. So this is it, guys. As you can see, even if you're breastfeeding, and let it simmer until the chicken is all cooked. At this point, I'm gonna put some salt, but don't forget to test. Salt is always good. Right, don't forget to check it. All the while, check it. And if you're breastfeeding, like me, this is the best. This is the best soup for you. It will keep you healthy and the baby healthy. And you get milk for the baby. Look at him. Ooh, he eats okra soup from mommy's boobies. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Say hi, Sachi. Come on, wake up. Okra. Oh, he's so sleepy. Right, now my beef and okra is ready. My chicken is ready as well. I'm gonna put in my shrimp or your prawns. And straight away I'll put the spinach. So that's gonna simmer for just a few minutes. 5 minutes. That's maximum. Because you don't want to overcook your shrimp or your prawns. That's your okra soup ready with all the prawns and chicken and beef. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. If you're new to this channel, please comment and let me know how you get on with the okra soup. Thank you.